Hi, I'm Peter Thorstensen, Dimitra's Chief Technology Officer, and I'm going to introduce you to Dimitra's Big Data Platform for Agriculture. This is the essence of Dimitra's approach to leveraging big data and artificial intelligence in farming. Our edge lies in our comprehensive data collection methods using various types of devices, including satellites, weather stations, drones, mobile apps, IoT ground sensors, and others. This allows us to maximize farm productivity, sustainability, and traceability. Satellite data gives us critical insights into crop growth patterns and pinpointing problem areas within large agricultural areas. With aerial precision, Dimitra can ensure issues and problem trends are addressed in real time. Additional data like weather and plant imagery helps farmers respond to climate change issues, and using Dimitra's AI models can predict the onset of plant diseases, enabling more sustainable farms. The utilization of drone technology further amplifies Dimitra's capability to design precision agriculture solutions. Through high-resolution mapping of terrain, Dimitra leverages AI to devise irrigation systems that cater to the specific needs of different land topographies, optimizing water usage and crop yields. Moreover, Dimitra's Connected Farmer mobile app bridges the gap between farmers and advanced agricultural technologies. By allowing farmers to upload images of their crops, Dimitra's AI can diagnose pest infestations and diseases and recommend effective treatment options, empowering farmers with actionable insights directly at their fingertips. IoT sensor data brings a detailed understanding of soil conditions to Dimitra's platform. With a diverse array of sensors, Dimitra captures real-time data on soil nutrients and moisture levels, informing precision farming practices that are tailored to the unique needs of each farm. Complementing these data sources, Dimitra harnesses a wealth of information from governmental and NGO datasets, ensuring that farmers have access to a comprehensive knowledge base for informed decision-making, even in the absence of direct soil analysis. Dimitra's holistic approach to data collection and AI-driven analysis positions it at the forefront of agricultural innovation. By transforming vast datasets into actionable intelligence, Dimitra empowers farmers to achieve unparalleled accuracy in crop management, heralding a new era of efficiency and sustainability in agriculture.